This is Scott the Fix Guy with a really easy, fast repair to get your gas stove burner burning strong again and able to light better. We removed the burner cap, and now I'm just pushing a sharp implement down into the very center. There's a little brass nut down there with a hole. I'm just cleaning out that hole. You could also use an extended paper clip. I'm using also a wire brush to clean thoroughly the upper part of this burner head. And then I'm also going to clean the burner cap. What this does is it creates a better metal-to-metal contact, and then the spark will be stronger. And if you have a stronger spark and plenty of gas, you're going to have good ignition. So I'm cleaning the underside of the burner cap, trying to get it free of any corrosion, any rust, or any food particles. And then I'll put it back on and we'll give it a test. This was barely lighting before. So there we go. Pretty strong. So that's a quick way to fix a burner head that just doesn't light well or the flame's not very strong. So these two look really good. Hopefully that's been helpful to you and you get your burner going also. Thanks so much for watching and please subscribe.